G'day guys, today I'm just going to go over the installation of a DAB Plus windscreen mount antenna. This particular one is from Kenwood, but they're probably all very similar. So if you don't have one, all this will allow you to do is get DAB Plus radio, which is just sort of the newest standard of digital radio. And all we need to do is stick an antenna to the windscreen, peeling off one side, sticking it on, getting rid of the bubbles, peeling off the other side. And then there's the antenna cable itself, which connects to the sticker and has an earth tag that connects to the metal chassis. Run the cable in corrugated tubing back to the head unit just to protect it, and that's basically it. It's a nice easy job. How this works is that you have this sticky back antenna. This goes on the windscreen. Depending on whether your car is a right hand side drive or a left hand side drive, will determine which side this goes on. Obviously it gets installed the opposite to the driver's side. This is a right hand side vehicle, so it won't get installed here. But if you were installing it on the right hand side, it would go that way. On the left hand side, it actually flips and it goes that way. Then we have this unit here. This will connect onto this portion here, which we'll show you in greater detail when we install it. These black tabs on the side here will line up with the black arrows on the actual antenna itself. This tab here is an earthing tab that needs to be touching the metallic surface. So we'll peel that off and we'll peel it onto the A pillar. You can see I've removed the pillar over there, ready to install on the left hand side. It comes with a cleaning pad just to clean the window to get the best stick possible, and inside are little cable cord holders with sticky backs. If you want to stick them inside the A pillar to hold it, you can. So you can see the instructions show that they want it 150mm down from that black ceramic strip that surrounds the windscreen. We're not going to do it down that far, it's a bit excessive, and it will work fine a little bit closer than that. You should be able to read the 1 and 2 properly, otherwise you've got it back to front. Before I clean it, I just want to find a spot for it and make sure that this earthing tag is long enough to reach the metallic frame here, which I think it will be anywhere around here. A lot of this dirt is on the outside of the windscreen. The inside is already pretty clean. We just want to wait for that to dry and then we will peel off the number 1. Now when we peel off number 1, we want to make sure that we don't touch this track here, which is the antenna itself. We want to try and keep all the oily residue off it. So we'll just work all the bubbles out so we know that it's got as good a stick as possible. Now we peel number 2 off, we peel this 3M tape off, and we line up the little black notches here with the black arrows on the sticker. Peel this 3M tape off here and make sure this contacts the metallic surface. This is an earth tag. The metallic surface will be just under the A pillar there. So that's it for the install. I'm just going to wrap this up in split tubing until it gets into here. I've kept it away from the black ceramic. And then we have our antenna unit. Black marks lining up to the black sticker. And then I've just taped it up in corrugated tubing. We go down the A pillar and across to the head unit. Alright, that's it. So pretty easy job. I recommend cleaning both the outside and the inside of the window, just so you can see where the bubbles are a little bit clearer. And just remember to keep your hands clear of the antenna itself. Just keep everything as clean as possible and you shouldn't have any issue.